time to time, I watch some YouTube videos on software experiments, reviews, and in-depth analysis. And thanks to those videos, I understood the logic and how different programs or operating systems work in general. Enderman, Flytech videos, Michael MJD, Eric Parker, Bub Hub, and many more are the YouTube channels that inspired me to create mine. When it comes to coding, I had no idea besides the names of popular programming languages, and that's it. I opened Visual Studio and started following YouTube tutorials, looking for solutions on Stack Overflow, or by using Gemini AI and implementing what I learned on the spot. This is Desktop Valet, a basic and simple tool that sorts and organizes files on a cluttered desktop with one click. It can be set to English or French. I've filled the desktop with various sample files to demonstrate. Click on Start, and that's it. Images have been moved to the Images folder, Excel files to spreadsheets, and so on. If you clicked by accident, or you want them back on the desktop, click on Undo to move them back. Click on Open to open the desktop directory in Explorer. It currently supports popular file formats of images, videos, audio files, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, PDF files, and compressed archives. I've uploaded the app on Microsoft Store, if you are interested in it. Why on Microsoft Store? I wanted to learn how to build auto-installers because it needs to be an app bundle so it can be submitted to the store. I've uploaded the very first build on the 27th of October, so I could learn how to manage build versions and how to set up updates. Still, I couldn't figure out how to display all supported languages on the listing properly. If you don't want to use Microsoft Store, I'll upload the app somewhere else in the future and update the description.